settlement in its lawsuit over its Parental Rights and Education Act. The law went into effect nearly 2 years ago and was dubbed by critics as Don't Say Gay Law for its rules on sexual orientation and gender identity in the classroom. News Channel 8's Annie Mapp joins us live in downtown Tampa this afternoon. Now, Annie, what does the settlement entail?
Josh, the settlement allows teachers and students to talk about sexual orientation, but it cannot be a part of classroom instruction.
These are things that we didn't have before.
Equality Florida, which was part of the lawsuit against the state's Parental Rights and Education Act, is pleased with the decision.
It's not just that LGBTQ students and teachers can say gay and say trans in our public schools. They can also be gay and be trans without fear of being erased.
The office of Governor Ron DeSantis also considers it a win. They say their goal is to protect children from radical gender and sexual ideologies. General Counsel Ryan Newman saying, quote, "We are victorious and Florida's classrooms will remain a safe place under the Parental Rights and Education Act," end quote. The 8-page long agreement clarifies the law's language, stating that references about LGBTQ people are not restricted in literature, class discussions, students' academic work, or its review. It also doesn't prevent teachers from giving lessons about stopping bullying based on gender or sexual orientation. Nor does it require the removal of LGBTQ safe space stickers. However, the settlement does state that classroom instruction must remain neutral on all sexual orientation and gender identity topics.
Some of the things that the DeSantis administration agreed to as part of the settlement to adopt as education policy in the state of Florida are things that we would seek from Democratic governors and Democratic administrations. These are real wins, real victories, real critical protections.
And the Florida Department of Education is now required to provide a copy of this agreement to all 67 school districts in the state. Reporting live in Tampa, Annie Mapp, 8 on your side.